Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide distracting items in Safari on iOS 18. This is a really handy feature if you're looking to streamline your browsing experience by removing those elements on a web page that keep pulling your attention away. Let's dive in. First, to access this feature, open the Safari app on your iPhone running iOS 18 and go to the website where you'd like to hide distracting elements. At the bottom left of your Safari screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a small rectangle with lines. This is where the magic happens. By tapping on this icon, you'll access the new feature. Once you tap on it, you'll see an option called Hide Distracting Items. When you select this, Safari will allow you to manually choose which parts of the web page you want to hide. It could be anything that you find annoying or distracting: buttons, sections, banners, and so on. This is great for cleaning up a cluttered page and focusing on the content you care about. Now, when it comes to actually hiding items, it's pretty simple. After activating the feature, just tap on any item that you want to remove from view. For example, if there's a Buy Now button that's bothering you, or a large banner at the top of the page, just tap on it. Safari will automatically detect that specific element. Once it's highlighted, hit Hide, and the item will disappear. It's that easy. What's great about this feature is its persistence. Even if you refresh the page or come back later, Safari remembers the elements you've hidden. This is especially useful for websites you visit regularly where you consistently want to avoid certain parts of the page. It's a real time saver and helps you stay focused. Now, a quick note on limitations. This feature isn't designed to block ads specifically, even though it might work in some cases. Its main purpose is to allow you to hide sections of a web page that you personally find distracting. So, if you're hoping it'll be a full ad blocker, it's not quite built for that. But it's excellent for customizing your browsing experience. That's everything for today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you later.